everybody, we recently went on the Carnival Vista and we had a blast, and we wanted to share our excursions with you. We normally book through the cruise line, which is definitely a safe option, but this time we wanted to go on our own and we had a fabulous time. Grab your drink and let's go. Our first stop is Mahogany Beach, Roatan. Good morning, everyone. We have arrived in Roatan. I cannot wait to get across to do some exciting things and spend some time in the water. It's going to be fabulous, and we will see you there. Hey, mature divas, I'm here in Roatan, and I can't wait to have you here with me. Let's sail together and live our best life. We are here in Roatan on the beach chairlift. Everything here is just so beautiful and calm and peaceful. You need to come and check this out. We're on the Carnival Vista. So I just want to give you another perspective of what we're seeing on the beach chairlift. So pretty, breathtaking. So we're over at the beach and there's lots of people and families soaking up the sun. There's a lot to explore here. There's cabanas to rent, water sports, food and drinks, and just chilling. You can also get a massage and eat at the restaurant. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer to book your excursions through the cruise line, or have you ventured out on your own? What do you prefer? Here's the restaurant. There's lots of covered seating and seating outside. You can even take your food to your lounger and enjoy it there. Here's the inside of the restaurant, and there's plenty of seating and a large bar with lots of frozen drinks. And as you can see, the portions are huge. After lunch, we found some loungers and just chilled. And guess what? I ran into two ladies that recognized me from my YouTube channel. Hi, y'all. Guys, here we are. We're going back to the Carnival Vista. Here's a tip. When you're on the chairlift, a breeze can come out of anywhere. So secure your hats, your wigs, and anything else that could blow off. My husband's hat blew off. An employee saw what happened and retrieved it. I could not believe it. Hey guys, we have some bonus footage for you today. Walking a trail here at Roatan, Mahogany Bay. We took the chairlift earlier on the way back. Got a little windy and it blew my husband's hat off. So we're walking a trail, see how long it takes, and they've already retrieved the hat. So thank you, staff here at Mahogany Bay. Okay, Diva family, here's a tip. If you're walking back, there's a little bit of an incline, so just be prepared and take advantage of the benches along the way to rest. This is a great opportunity for us to walk off some of the drinks and nachos that we had for lunch. It took us about 7 minutes to walk from end to end. They retrieved my husband's hat, and now we're going to take the chairlift back. So before we go, let's take a look around once more at this beautiful beach. I just love that the trees provide so much shade. There's the ship. We're heading back early. Also, here's a look at the menu of things that you can do at the beach to make your day super fun. And I didn't show it to you, but there is a zip line here. And we're back. We made our way back to the ship 2.5 hours before the ship leaves because we just like to get back early and in plenty of time and not stress. We also take advantage of getting food without long lines. Our next stop is Paradise Beach Club in Cozumel. This is our first time here. We booked this excursion ourselves and we had a beautiful time. We started out early to make the most of the beach and not feel rushed. Here's a tip. If you want a pool cabana, contact me early to reserve it. We are here at the Paradise Beach Club and it is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to show you around. Look at this amazing pool. We got seats around the pool and I jumped right in. The water was perfect and the people are having a great time. This pool is so sparkly and so pretty. It's very relaxing. In fact, you really need to come to the Paradise Beach Club and see for yourself. I cannot believe how beautiful it is here. This is paradise. It is so beautiful, and the water is just perfect and beautiful. You gotta try this. Still chilling here at the Paradise Beach Club. A little cloudy above, but other than that, it is perfect. Just look at this amazing pool and people having a wonderful time.
How's it feel? 49. We're about to be 50 tomorrow. We're celebrating here at Paradise Beach Club.
Having a pretty good time. Paradise Beach. Just relaxing, chilling, waiting to feel old, you know, all downhill from here.
Not. 50s are amazing. And we're here at the Paradise Beach Club where you get an option of a pool view or the ocean view, which I think is just great. If you just want to lounge by the pool is what, 3 feet, 6, all the way around, something like that. Not deep at all, very manageable if you have children or if you just don't want to swim in the deep like I don't. I don't like deep water. The pool is very pretty. The service here is amazing. They take you to your location, your chair that you've reserved. They have cabanas that you can rent. And the people really take care of you here. I think you're gonna love it. Contact me with your Diva Travel. I can make sure that you get here and have a good time too. And if you're celebrating a milestone birthday like Mr. Dan here, you're definitely going to have a great time. So here's something that happened. We had a surprise rain shower here at the beach club. The showers don't last very long, but just be prepared to come in and take some cover.
I love this little taco truck on the beach. As you can see, there's no line. And they also have these fun swings at the bar. These are so much fun.
Hey guys, this is the beachside. Welcome from Paradise Beach Club. And yes, it is paradise. Well worth the reservation. You are going to love it.
Here's Dan looking fly in his birthday outfit. I'll have the details below. To get here, we took a cab and it was $15 each way for the both of us.
Paradise Beach has been a blast. I cannot wait to come back. And if you get a chance, be sure to request Ronnie and Samuel. They were fantastic. We're about to leave Paradise Beach, so I'm giving you one last twirl before we go.
The next stop is Belize. We didn't book any excursions here.
Hey family, we just boarded the tender from Carnival Vista and we are making our way over to Belize. Hey guys, we made it to Belize. We are here at port and we're going to do a little shopping, a little running around, having a good time, seeing all the sights.
We didn't spend a lot of time here, but we had a blast. This was my husband's first time in Belize. I just love these swings. They are just so much fun and relaxing to me. Here's the Belize cruise port map to help you plan your time here. I hope you had fun watching this video and found this really helpful. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay fabulous.